In this video right now, I will show you exactly how you can add a widget to your iPhone 15. So imagine that you bought a brand new device and you just want to know how you can add widgets to the home screen. It is in fact very simple. As you are on the home screen anywhere, doesn't matter where you are, you just have to hold down anywhere on the screen for a little bit longer, like that, and everything just starts to shake. This is the first step. And as you are on the home screen, you can move the icons around, delete them, do like folders and stuff, but in the upper left corner you have the plus icon. So you're supposed to click on the plus right here, and this will open up the widgets section. And you can search them, so you have a search tab where you can find specific widgets that you have in mind, or you can scroll down a bit and here are some of the suggestions. So you can see like random apps. First one is reminder. Then I have like Snapchat. It's like guessing which widgets I might want to add to my home screen based on the way that I use my device. However, if I scroll down and get past the recommended widgets, I get to this section where every single app is listed. The first one is Foxtecc. I will touch on that later on in just a second, but the apps under it are all of the apps, whether third-party or official from Apple, which allow you to use a widget for them. So for example, App Store. You click on that and you can see App Store widgets. You can get like a little description of what it is about and also pick the sizes. So the first size is small square, then we have the rectangle, and then we have this large square. Once you have chosen the one that you want to add, click on the blue button, Add Widget. It's going to open up on the home screen like that. Now you are still in the edit mode because everything is shaking. So what you can do now, if you're not happy with the position, just grab the widget and slide it to different available places. So for example, you want to keep it in the middle or all the way at the bottom. Or perhaps you want to move it to a different page like that, so I will put it here. That's okay. Now I'm just going to hit done, and the widget is staying on the home screen. Of course, it is interactive, so it depends on the widget. For example, the reminders, you can interact with it live without opening up the app, but the App Store one doesn't really do much. When you click it, it just gets you inside of this specific section. So that's how it works. And also, in order to delete it, hold down on it and remove widget. Remove it like that. It will disappear from the home screen of your iPhone. So that's really useful. That's exactly how you can do it. Now, I touched on a Foxtecc. So if I get to the same section, hold down on the screen, click the plus icon, scroll down a bit more, I will find the Foxtecc. And this is basically a multiple widget put together into one. So it has, again, the very same sizes as the other widgets, so square, rectangle, and large square. So let me just add this one, the smallest one, to the home screen to show you what it actually does. So when you do it like this, you may notice that right behind it, or on the right side here, are a couple of different dots. So the way that it works is that you can actually scroll through them and find some different things. So for example, you swipe from one widget, which is the Snapchat, and you swipe over to a different one, which is Wikipedia widget. Then I swipe over to the reminders. Then I swipe again to the weather. So it really is a nice place, and it just saves a lot of space on the home screen. So that's really good. And you can also customize it. Just hold down on it. You can edit specifically just the widget or edit the entire stack. So I'm going to click on Edit Stack, and I can delete and decide that, for example, I like the stack, but I don't want to have the, I don't know, like I don't want to have the weather in here. So let's remove the weather like that, and it will just disappear from my stack. Or I can just grab it and move it around so I can change the order of the widgets in my stack if I really wanted to. So that's basically the entire functionality. Also, at the bottom we have two options, Smart Rotate as well as Widget Suggestions. So it's up to you to decide if you want to keep it turned on. Smart Rotate basically means that it's just going to flick through them automatically based on its idea of what you might like. I don't personally like it, so I just turn it off like that, but it's up to you to decide, of course. And now you have a very nice widget which you can scroll through and see different apps in one spot. So that's basically everything what you need to know about it. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the thumbs up. But before you leave, I need to show you one more thing which I've been working on. It is the Foxtecc educational platform. You can join it for free, and inside you get access to many different things like in-depth iPhone guides. For example, I covered the most popular apps on iPhone like in the depth. For example, you can watch the entire full guide of the App Store, which goes in the depth of every single thing which you should know about it. So it's really useful. I would recommend you to join and check it out right now because it's free to do so. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll see you later in the future.